Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is bladder stones. So, what are bladder stones? Bladder stones are those stones which are present within the urinary bladder. Definition: a primary bladder stone is that develops in sterile urine. So, we can divide a bladder stone into a primary and a secondary stones. Primary stones develop within the urinary bladder, whereas a secondary urinary bladder stones develop in presence of infection, outflow obstruction, impaired bladder emptying, or foreign body bladder. So, what is the incidence of these bladder stones? Until 20th century, it was more in poor children and adolescents because of impaired diet. But in the modern times, because of balanced diet, the incidence has decreased. Composition of the bladder stones. Composition of the bladder stones. Bladder stones are mixed stones. Most vesical stones are mixed stones, and or it may be oxalate stones. These are the primary stones. It grows slowly. It is solitary, moderate in size. Its surface is uneven, dark brown or black in color because of incorporation of blood pigment in it. Calcium oxalate is white in color. Uric acid stones, these are radiolucent. These are round and oval and vary in color from yellow to brown, seen in the patient of gout. What is radiolucent and what is radiopaque? Radiopaque are those stones which we can see on the X-ray, and radiolucent stones are those stones which we cannot see on the X-rays. A cystine stone. A cystine stone is present in the presence of cystinuria. It is radiopaque because of high sulfur content. A triple phosphate stones. It is composed of ammonium phosphate, magnesium phosphate, and calcium phosphate. It occurs in urine infected with urea splitting organisms. It grows rapidly. It may occur over a foreign body nucleus. It is dirty white in color and is of chalky consistency. A stone in bladder moves freely and gravitates to the lower part of the bladder. Bladder stones. Clinical features. Men are affected 8 times more frequently than women. Frequency is the earliest symptom. There is sensation of incomplete bladder emptying. यानी कि we feel that the bladder is not empty. There is some urine present within the bladder, and there is urge to empty the bladder more. Pain or strangury is present. It develops at the end of micturition and is referred to the tip of the penis in males and labia majora in females. The pain. We are talking about the pain. The pain is worsened by movement. In young boys, screaming and pulling of penis at the end of micturition is present. It shows that there is bladder stones. This is a sign of bladder stone. Hematuria or passage of few blood drops, the fresh blood drops at the end of micturition, is due to stone abrading the bladder trigone. Interruption of urinary stream is due to the stone blocking the internal meatus, or the urinary tract infection is common presenting complaint. On examination, on rectal and the vaginal examination, it is normal. A large stone may be present or palpable in the females. Examination of urine show microscopic pus or crystals, as oxalate stones show envelope-like crystals and the cystine stones have hexagonal crystals. In most patients, stone is visible on ultrasound or X-ray IVP. The most common investigation done is the ultrasound. And so the IVP would also show the function of the kidneys. When we are to operate for the bladder stones, we have to see the function of the kidneys. So for that we do the IVP. It would show us what is the present status of the kidneys. So if we have to remove the kidney because of excessive bleeding, so we should have in mind that if one kidney is not functioning, and we may not remove the other kidney as well. Bladder stone treatment: all stones are dealt with endoscopically for bladder outflow obstruction, and endoscopic resection of the prostate is done. Cause of stone should be dealt with. Surgery is called the litholopexy. Optical lithotrite is the instrument that is used. It is the latest instrument. It is latest invasive treatment. Old method was with blind lithotrite. Electrohydraulic lithotrite, holmium laser ultrasound probe was also minimally invasive treatments. Stone punch with Ehrlich evacuator can also crush and evacuate stones. Ultrasound lithotripsy is extremely safe, but it is for small stones only. Thank you. The reference is Short Practice of Surgery by Bell and Love, 26th edition. Thank you.